How you guys doing? My name is John Gustavo. Welcome back to 5-Star Line News. We have been given the honor to actually come outside and experience the hurricane, or Hurricane Irma, as she likes to be called, and see what she likes to attack. Right now, it appears that she's really digging into these palm trees. As you can see right there, she's really bending them. Check that over there. Over there. Look back at me. Alright, so if you guys can look over there, check that over there. Look at that storm, guys. Wow, that's crazy, right? Whew. I tell you, that's something. Now look back at me. Now, whoever's watching this, if you guys are still inside your place, I reckon you do that. What I'm doing is pretty crazy. But don't worry about it. Me and my mom are having some fun. Come. Oh. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. You can really feel the Whoa, look at that. So much wind, baby. So much wind. Oh, snap. Aquí, puta la cámara, puta la cámara. Puta la cámara a mí. Oh, wow. I got shampoo in my eyes. No pares de grabar. Uy. Chiquita, vení aquí. Oh, yeah. Uy. This is 5-Star Line News at its finest. Putalo a mí, putalo a mí. ¿Se puede ver? Okay, putalo a mí. This is 5-Star Line News at its finest. And we're not going to stop here. We're going to keep recording more of this violent storm. Alright. Woo! Oh, that's crazy. Let's get out of here. Vámonos, vámonos, chiquita. Huh? Te voy a grabar a ti. Let's get out of there. It's crazy. Grab onto the tree. Oh, mira eso. Woohoo. Grábame. Corre.